Are you still spending about 12 hours of your day setting up the tech for your entire affiliate marketing business? Are you currently juggling your time managing more than 10 successful referrals? Are you running out of ideas to drive traffic to your promotional materials and referrals? If you find yourself exhausting not just your energy, but all the strategies and ideas to keep up with your growing business, then you are in the right place. The best thing you and your business need right now is to outsource. Tune in and watch until the end to learn about how outsourcing your affiliate marketing business can help you improve your business and take you closer to your success. Subscribe to Dr. Melva TV on YouTube for your go-to guide in digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building for all the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. I provide helpful tips, recommendations, guides, and other instructional materials to start and nurture your business to its success, along with every video to really help you in achieving your goals and live the life you have been dreaming of. Doesn't that sound exciting? Click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Transforming your mindset to one that is into the opportunity of making money in real estate and be on your way towards achieving the life you deserve. I've always done things by myself, especially when it comes to business. Naturally, when you're just starting out, you tend to do things on your own, right? Aside from the fact that I wanted to learn and master all of the elements of my new business, I wasn't sure who else I could trust with the growth and success of my own business. You know, that was my exact mindset and attitude when I started my affiliate marketing business. Oh my gosh, almost like a decade ago now. I had to go through sleepless nights and days and an unimaginable amount of stress and exhaustion I didn't know I could even bear. I kept thinking it was part of the process. I kept thinking I just had to get used to it. I kept thinking it was just a phase. No, it wasn't just a phase. I was very happy and thankful that my referrals were generating income and my business was growing. But as it continued to grow, the more tasks and processes and my to-do list just piled up until it was just too much for me to handle. I found myself being less productive than I wanted to be, and I'm very productive, okay? And I was missing out on some tasks and I was out of focus, and I just really felt and probably looked all over the place. It was time to outsource some of the tasks in my affiliate marketing business. If you know me, you know I work full-time as a board-certified radiation oncologist, and at the same time, I'm a wife and mom to 3 kids and an entrepreneur with multiple businesses online and offline. I get asked a lot, how do you do it, Dr. Melva? And I'm happy to share with you that one of the strategies that I have is outsourcing. Here are just some of the tasks and processes in my affiliate marketing business that I outsource to a virtual assistant. Number 1, content creation. Number 2, graphic design. Number 3, video editing. Number 4, social media management. Number 5, funnel building. Depending on your affiliate marketing business strategies, some of these tasks may also apply to your own business. What tasks or business processes do you intend to outsource in the near future? Outsourcing helped me grow my affiliate business in so many ways, including saving time and money in affiliate marketing. Just like any other business, time is important. Having a virtual assistant to outsource tasks and working on tasks simultaneously will help you save time and surely generate more income in the process. Getting help from experts. Many virtual assistants have skills and expertise that can be very helpful in running an affiliate marketing business. Improving productivity and overall business performance. With tasks properly delegated and goals and deadlines achieved, a business will surely grow and prosper. Learn more about all the benefits and ways to maximize outsourcing through the following instructional materials. Download the free guide, Finding the Ideal Virtual Assistant now. Sign up for the How to Build a Team by Outsourcing Masterclass and the Outsource Your Business Clinic. I've been getting so many questions about how I was able to leverage outsourcing and successfully build a team of VAs. So I made sure to cover all the questions, all the important points, and everything that I learned throughout my journey in finding and building the amazing team of virtual assistants I have now. Links are in the description box below. Check out more videos where I talk about digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, empowering women to monetize their purpose. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. See you again soon.